Well, hey, bitch. Listen, we got to talk about Tasha K and Cardi B. Y'all know they have this ongoing lawsuit. It's been going on since what, 2018, 2019? Yeah, it looks like the judge is requesting more details from Miss Cardi B. So let's go ahead and talk about it. All right, first things first, let's go ahead and hop into this article that I'm reading from on Hip Hop DX, okay? And they've headlined this article saying that Cardi B's herpes test results requested by judge in STD defamation lawsuit, because that is the reason why the lawsuit came to be. I believe back in 2018, 2019, Tasha K accused or, said out loud, Miss Cardi B has, the big H, right? She came out and said Cardi has the big H. Cardi came out denying all claims. And it led to her wanting to sue Miss Tasha, which is why they are dealing with this case right now. Tasha came back, and I believe she was suing Cardi B as well for something. I guess she was saying that Cardi B had some people coming after her trying to, fight her. But I believe earlier this summer was when Cardi B ended up winning that side of the lawsuit, because I think the judge may have thrown out Tasha K's part, right? But we'll get into that because I believe it's somewhere towards the bottom of this article. But let's go ahead and dive in, okay? They're saying that Cardi B's STD test results have been requested by a federal judge in her defamation lawsuit against vlogger Tasha K, who the Bronx rapper has accused of spreading false rumors that she has herpes, okay? Now, according to Billboard, Judge William M. Ray II directed the Center for Women's Pelvic Health at UCLA on Monday to disclose any and all medical records within their possession related solely to the testing of HPV and herpes, okay, for Miss Cardi. So they need to get all that information. I feel like this is actually sad to me, that you gotta go this far to pull information to prove that you do or don't have something. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just feel like that's a person's personal business. And to be honest, in my opinion, I don't feel like it's anybody's place or right to even divulge that information to whoever. I just kind of feel like, dang, that's messed up, right? If that person chose to want to speak out about what STDs they may have in hopes of being an advocate and allowing other people to feel comfortable with coming forward with whatever they may have going on, right? Then that's their business, because it's about them. But when you put that information out for them, it's like, it's a bit shaky. I don't think this was Tasha K's first time doing that. I'm not sure if it is or if it isn't, but it does seem like to me Cardi B is probably the first person to bring, legal actions towards Miss Tasha in the realm of, STD and all that other stuff, right? So that's what it seems like to me. So I'm like, oh girl, this is highly messy, but let's continue to read on. They're saying that the herpes test results will play a big role in determining the outcome of the lawsuit, as a negative test would support Cardi B's case that Tasha K's STDs accusations were false. And I'm like, yeah, it would. I mean, that's what the whole case is about. So of course it's going to determine the outcome, because girl, that's messy, and it ain't looking good for nobody. Okay, so if the results came back and it's proven that she doesn't have that at all, it's going to hurt Tasha. I don't know if it's going to hurt her pockets, but I'm going to say it's going to hurt her pockets, right? Because ain't nobody trying to be inconvenienced like that and be sued over money and, what I'm saying, over things that they said. And so, nobody's really trying to deal with that. But it's like, yikes. That's a tough lesson and a very expensive lesson to learn if it does come out that she does not have any of the diseases that you accused her of having. That's going to be messed up. But then also at the same time, Cardi, girl, if this stuff come out, that you got it, you know what I'm saying? First of all, it ain't really none of our business, but it's gonna be our business. See, that's the unfortunate part, right? Because it's all out here in the courts. A lot of things end up being public knowledge, so people are gonna learn, people are gonna find out that you may have this, and a lot of people aren't gonna care, but a lot of people are going to taunt you about this, right? And then it's gonna be like, it's gonna suck for you, because then you're gonna have to, I guess the case will be dismissed. I don't think that you'll be having to pay Tasha anything. I'm not necessarily sure. You might have to give her a coin, because Tasha probably going to sue you for trying to call her a liar when she wasn't a liar about this situation. So that right there is going to be, girl, that's going to be, messed up. So I don't know. But I feel like with these results coming, I feel like the case could be over with pretty soon. Hopefully, once these individuals, the Center for Women, once they release the documentation that the judge is asking for, he looks over everything and they find out what's real, what's not real. then I feel like the case is going to wrap up pretty soon, because I feel like it's been going on for a long time. And I'm pretty sure because of the pandemic hitting in 2020, it really set things back pretty far. But we're going to go ahead and continue to read on. And I want to hear y'all thoughts about this. Do you feel like Tasha K was wrong for outing, Cardi's business? If not, let me know your thoughts. If you feel like she wasn't wrong at all, that's a part of her job. Let me know that. If you feel like she was wrong, girl, then let me know that down in the comments as well. Let's keep going. Okay, the herpes test results were sought by Tasha K's attorney. The attorney wanted these records. So obviously it's like, girl, somebody's confident. I feel like Cardi was really confident to bring this case to the forefront, because she's like, girl, I don't have any of that stuff that you're talking about. So yeah, I'm for the sue you for defamation, right? And when you're proven wrong, okay, then you ain't gonna have nothing to talk about. But then on the flip side, for the attorney to request the records, it's like, ooh, girl, do they feel very confident themselves? Yikes. Let's keep reading. However, Cardi B's attorney claimed the same test had already been voluntarily submitted as evidence in favor of the Bronx rapper's case, right? They go on to say that, and this is, I believe someone, let me just read it. So the medical records concerning the HPV and the herpes test were previously produced subject to a protective order and in support of my client's claims. And this seems to be the attorney for Cardi saying this. Now, Cardi B and vlogger Tasha K, I'm not going to say her real name, have been entangled in a messy legal battle for over 2 years. Okay. The WAP superstar sued Tasha K for $75,000 in 2019 over scandalous allegations involving drug abuse, prostitution, and STDs in a series of YouTube vlogs. Okay, they go on to say that Tasha K even suggested that Cardi B's daughter Culture may have intellectual disabilities due to Cardi B's alleged drug habit. Like, girl, that's messy. Culture don't look like she got not now mental, intellectual disability at all. Now, there are some that people cannot see, right? But it looks like Miss Culture is a very healthy child, girl. Cardi B denied all allegations and claims, and she gave Tasha K the opportunity to retract her inflammatory remarks, which was rejected. Okay, they go on to say that Tasha K countersued Cardi B for $3 million, claiming she had sent blood gang members to threaten her. But Judge Ray sided with Cardi. This is what I was telling you guys earlier. The judge sided with Cardi and tossed out the lawsuit after ruling there was no evidence she brought Tasha any distress. Okay, so there was no evidence, girl. Okay, of any of that. Yikes, embarrassing. And he threw that out. Let's keep going. Now, Cardi B and Tasha K were scheduled to appear in court on November 9th, but the Up rapper asked the date to be pushed back due to a unspecified family emergency. Okay, the trial has since been moved to January 5th, 2022. So let us hope that they can get these court records and all this other great stuff, so this whole situation honestly can come to a close. In the words of Miss Nene, the door is closed. So let's hope we get all this information and both of these ladies can just move on and move forward with their life. And I feel like at the end of the day, I feel like Tasha's gonna be the one that's really gonna learn a lesson out of all of this, more so than Miss Cardi. Okay, whether she were to, win the case or whatever, or not win the case, I feel like she's gonna learn to be a bit more careful with the things that I don't know, girl. Let me not say that. I want to say that she may be, a bit more careful when it comes to this right here. Things like this that she may say, but I don't know. Some people learn their lesson, some people don't, girl. I don't know which one she gonna do, honey, but I'm looking forward to seeing what the result is gonna be at the end of the day, honey. But listen, that's all that I got. I like to read articles to you guys. So y'all hop down in these comments and let me know what it is that you think about this overall situation, honey. I'm Jamie, and that's me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share my videos, honey. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Jamie, that's me, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.